Hey everyone! Today, I'm excited to share my experience with the Safeplus Treadmill for office. This portable folding treadmill is designed with convenience in mind, making it perfect for home gyms or office spaces. First off, let's talk about the design. It's space-saving and installation-free, so you can easily store it under a desk, sofa, or bed without taking up much room. Plus, the foldable feature is a game-changer. It arrived fully assembled, so I was able to start using it right out of the box. Now, one of the standout features is its whisper-quiet operation. The 2.25 HP motor, coupled with a shock reduction and noise reduction system, ensures a smooth and ultra-quiet workout experience. This is fantastic, especially if you plan to use it in an office setting where noise could be a concern. The treadmill offers two working modes: a walking mode with speeds ranging from 0 to 2.5 miles per hour and a running mode with speeds up to 7.5 miles per hour. It's recommended for light use, making it ideal for a quick workout during your work break. The LED display provides essential information such as time, speed, distance, and calories burned. I found this really helpful in tracking my progress. Additionally, the built-in Bluetooth speaker lets you connect your phone for some workout music, adding a fun element to your exercise routine. The convenience continues with easy folding and moving thanks to the wheels. Safety is a top priority with the built-in safety key ensuring instant shut-off in case of an emergency. And it's worth mentioning that the treadmill is CROHS CB Yen 957 and IEC certified by SGS, providing an extra layer of assurance. In terms of specifications, the treadmill has a 16-inch by 40-inch walking running surface and a maximum speed of 12 km per hour. The materials used, such as ethylene vinyl acetate and acrylonitro-butadiene styrene, contribute to its durability. Overall, the Safeplus Treadmill for office is a fantastic addition to your home gym or office space. It's convenient, quiet, and packed with features that make it a worthwhile investment. If you're in the market for a treadmill that combines functionality with space-saving design, this might be the one for you. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.